Hello everyone, welcome to Coding Scratch. This is lesson 18 velocity. Okay, so we go to the first puzzles. We introduce you about the velocity x. Okay, one way to move sprite in game lab is with a counter pattern. Okay, for example, sprite 1.x equal to sprite 1 dot x plus 1. Okay, move the sprite by 1 pixels each frame of drawing loop. Okay, this pattern is so common that sprite have velocity x property that does this for you. Okay, do this. Okay, drag a sprite's velocity x block directly below where your sprite is created is here, and write the name of your sprite in the block. Assign the velocity x property a value of 1. Okay? Run the code. What happened? Rerun the code giving the velocity x property a different value. What's changed? Okay? Now we go to the sprite and drag this sprite dot velocity x. Okay? And after that, you change this name to your sprite name is fish, and assign the value is, now I just put it 1. Okay, now let's see. Okay, now the fish starts swimming slowly, and you can change this to 3. Okay, it's faster, and the big number is the fish is like swim faster. Okay, like that. Okay, this is the using of the velocity. Okay, so that's all for this. Finish it. We go to the puzzle 2. Okay, about the puzzle 2, we have the video that talking about the velocity, and you can see the example in this. Okay, so we just skip it. Go to the next puzzle to practice what is velocity and how to use it. Okay, so puzzle 3, moving down. Okay, here's a feeder. Okay, feeder and sprite that should be floating down the screen. Okay? If velocity x make the sprite move to right, can you find the block that will make the feeder move down? Okay, easy, right? You just drag this velocity y, change this name of sprite to feeder, and velocity y you can put it 3. Okay, and try. Okay, that's work. Okay, we use only this line of code. Finish. Okay, now we go to the rotation speed. What is the rotation speed? Okay, you can use the rotation speed to make your sprite spin. If you want your sun to rotate by 2 degrees each time it's draw, you can use the sun dot rotation speed equal to 2 before the draw loop. Okay, after you create sprite. So for this, you just drag sprite dot rotation speed, change the name of sprite to sun, and after that assign the value to 2. Okay, it's been 2 degrees. That if you put it more faster, it's 5. Okay, like that. The big number, the rotation speed is also fast. Okay, like that. Amazing. Run it. Okay, controlling speed. Okay, you use the rotation speed outside the draw loop to make your sprite rotate when the program started. Okay, you can also use the rotation speed inside the draw loop to change the speed of sprite during the game. For example, a sprite can start rotating when the user presses the spacebar, and it will keep rotating until it's told to stop. Okay, do this. Look at the if statement inside the draw loop that checks whether the spacebar is pressed. So here is here, okay? And use the rotation speed block to make the color wheel start spinning when the user presses the spacebar. Okay, now when you run this program, nothing happens. And when the user press the spacebar, you want the wheel start spinning, right? You use the rotation speed inside the draw loop. Okay, make it 3. Set and run. Press the spacebar. Okay, it's worked. Okay, now it starts spinning. Okay, finish this. Okay, changing velocity with position. Okay, what can you see with this? Okay, one advantage to using the velocity block inside the condition if block is that your sprite keeps moving even after the condition stops being true. For example, you only had to press a key once to start the color wheel spinning, and it keeps spinning forever. And the code below uses the if statement to make the fish sprite move in different direction. So look at the if statement that check the sprite's property and set its velocity. With your partner, discuss what you think the code will do and write your answer below. Okay, once you have submit your answer, run the code. Okay, now let's go to read the code and make a prediction. Okay, we have a fish with the position is center of the screen. With the animation for the first is fish or. Fish or, it means that fish right. Okay, fish start velocity x, and now when the program start, the fish start swimming to right. Okay. After that, if the fish for this condition, if the fish reach the fish dot x reach up to the 40 of x, it's set to the fifth left and velocity it is -2. It means it fly. Oh no, fly is swimming back. Okay, and if it's swimming back until the fish dot x is 0 or less than 0, the fish dot set animation to fish right and swim back to right. Okay, so the answer is I think that the fish will swimming will swim to right and to left again and again forever. Okay, run to right, reach the edge of the screen, it turn to left and swim back. Okay, reach the left edge and turn to the right and swim to the right again. Okay, so that's all. Finish. And now we go to the back and forth. Okay, run this program to see first. Okay, you see. Okay, this ball bounce back when it hits the bottom of the screen. Can you make the bounce back when it hit the top of the screen? Okay, that is quite easy, right? You just need another if statement. You can go control, drag this. Okay, you can check like if the ball dot y is greater less than 20, you make the ball dot velocity y equal to 5. Okay, let's try. Okay, that's cool. Amazing. And you can make another one is like the ball is try the spinning. Ball the rotation speed equal to 1. Okay, let me try. Okay, like the ball. Okay, that's cool. Finish it. Okay, for the puzzle 8 we have another 2 activities. For the first one, a controlling speed. Okay, let's go. controlling speed. Okay, for this animation, you will have the flyboard to take off. Okay, so it should start moving up when the spacebar is pressed, and it should continue moving up even after the spacebar is released. So do this. Use an if statement inside the draw loop to check when the spacebar is pressed, and use velocity y block to make the sprite move up when the user presses the spacebar, and check that your animation behave the way you expect. Okay. Okay, now we go to the control and drag this if statement. Okay, make it a little bit easier to read. So we use the flyboard, right? You check the if key when down is the spacebar. Okay, and after that the flyboard set dot velocity y is equal to -3. Okay, let's try. Now I press space. Okay, now it's move up. Okay, that's cool. Finish. Okay, paintbrush. Paintbrush. Dip the paintbrush in the pen. Okay. So do this. Use a condition to send the paintbrush down if the down arrow is pressed, and use different condition to send the paintbrush up if it reaches the palette. Okay, here you will need to check its Y position. Okay, it is the condition. So what you have to do is you have to use else statement. Okay, if key went down, if the down arrow key, you have to set the brush dot velocity y equal to 3. Okay, for this the brush will go down and reach this. Okay, so to send the brush back you have to check the y position. Okay, and if the brush dot y equal to or greater than 300, I send the brush back by using the brush dot velocity y equal to 3. No, it is -3. Okay, reset and run again. Okay, now I press the arrow, down arrow key, down. Okay, it is up. Okay, like this picture. Okay, so that's all. Finish. Finish it. Okay, part 9, swimming right and left. Okay, the code below should make the fish start moving right when you press the right arrow, and then it should continuously swim back and forth. You should use conditional statement and velocity block to make the fish swim. Okay, look at the 3 if statement down here. Okay, you use the sprite velocity x block inside the if statement to make 3 following movement. Okay, you can see. For the first movement, if the user press the right arrow key, move the fish to the right. Okay, press the right arrow key here, move fish to right. So what you have to do is just fish dot velocity x equal to, now we use 5. Let's try and run. Now I press the right arrow key, it move. Okay. For the second, if the fish get the right hand side of the screen, move the fish to the left. Okay. This one. Move to the left, fifth dot velocity x, same -5. Okay. Now let's try. Okay, it's moved back. Okay. 3. If the fish get to the left hand side of the skin, move fish to the right. So this one also the same. Fish dot velocity x equal to 5. Okay. So now let's try again. Run. Okay, left, right. Okay, that's all. And the fish should always be facing the same direction it's moving. You will need to update the fish animation to either fish left and right based on the direction it's facing. You can go to the animation, we have the fish left and fish right. So what you have to do, you have to change the fish start set animation. This one is set to, I think this one is to left. Okay, because we move left. This one is to fish start set animation to right. Okay. So now let's try again. Start. Okay, that's awesome. So that's all for this. Finish it. Okay, we go to the puzzle 10. The activity A, changing course. Okay, so let's go. What you have to do is, okay, study the animation to the right. Okay, this one. That is purple alien sprite change between x and y velocity when it's near each corner of the screen. Okay, do this. Run the program and to understand how it works so far. Okay. Add velocity x and velocity y block the each condition to make the alien complete the full circuit. Okay. Be careful. If the sprite start moving diagonally, it's my mean it both x and y velocity. In the first corner, alien need to stop moving up and start moving right. Okay, so that's right. So now let's try and run again and see the condition here. You have see that the alien go up and you have to check here. If the alien dot y less than 50, what you have to do is alien dot x or velocity x start okay equal to 5. Now I set it to 5, make it faster, and this one also 5. Okay, let's try. Okay, the problem is you have to stop first. You have to stop the alien dot velocity y first, and then you have to start the velocity x. Okay, let's try and run. Let's go. That's cool. After that, the alien dot x, okay, greater than 350. You have to set the alien dot x or velocity x to stop first, equal to 0. And after that, the alien dot velocity y it start equal to 5. Okay. And this one, alien dot velocity. So this one is velocity y equal to 0 first, and then alien dot velocity x equal to -5. Make it faster. And for the last one is should be stop on even the x and y. Okay, velocity x or y equal to 0 both. Okay, velocity x equal to 0 too. Okay, now let's try and run. Okay, go right, down and then left. Okay, and then stop here. Okay, that's cool. Like this is the like this picture. Okay, so that's all finished. Okay, that's all. Now we go to the free play and create whatever you want is here. It is free. You can create whatever you want. Okay, now I go to the background and choose background that I like the most. Okay, now I choose this one. Okay, and after that I need some fish for my sprite. Okay, I use this guy. Okay, and then I use another one. The fish too. Have the octopus and crab. Okay, I use crab and add another one. Some animal. Okay, this is right. This is shark. Okay, any shark. Well, okay, this is cool. So now I use this shark. Okay, so that's all. So now let's create a background first for our project. Okay, now we have around 3 sprite and 1 background. So I create 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, for the first one is background. I use PG. It is the I create a shark, and after that crab and fish. Okay, crab, and this one is fish. Okay, so I need the draw function. Go to drawing. Where is, oh, go to the world, this draw function. Okay, and after that I need the draw sprite. First I have to set it animation first. pg.set animation background and shark dot set animation to shark 1. Okay, crab dot set animation to, this is a crab, and fish dot set animation to fish. Okay, it is the same location for all of that. Okay, so what you have to do is to scale it a little bit smaller. Okay, now I use scale for shark dot scale for around 0.5. Okay, and after that for the crab dot scale 0.5 too. Fish dot scale 0.5. Okay, let's try and see. Okay, the fish should be a little bit smaller than that. Okay, that's amazing. And the shark should be a little bit bigger. It should be 7. Okay, that's cool. And after that, what you have to do is to change the location, the position. For the crab, it should be smaller than this. Okay, it should be 3 only. So now I move the crab go down to 350. This is crab, and the fish is here. Now the fish should be starting from 100. Okay, reset and run. And the shark, it should go up here. So 100. Okay, and should come from the 50. We can see only the head of the shark on like that. Okay, and the fish should go down a little bit. Okay, that's amazing. And what you have to do is to make all of that start as moving by using the velocity. Okay, so for the first one is shark dot velocity x equal to 1. And after that, fish dot velocity x equal to 1 the same. Okay, shark. Okay, that's one. Okay, that's cool and amazing. And after that, what you have to do is to make this guy, to move up. Okay, so it's quite simple, right? You can use the fish, no fish, crab dot velocity y equal to z minus 3, like this. Okay, that's cool. And after that, you have to check the condition and make that always do that animation again and again. Okay. So for the first one, I check for the crab. If the crab dot y less than 50, okay, I have to make the crab dot velocity x, no velocity y, to 3, okay, like this. Try and run. Okay, that's cool. And if the crab dot y greater than 350, I make it go up again. Grab the velocity y equal to minus 3. Okay, like this. That's cool. Like that. Okay, now we start with the fish. For fish, we have to duplicate it for 2. For the first one is fifth or, it means fifth right. And duplicate it, you make it flip to this one, rename this to fifth L, it means fifth left. Okay, so fish, you go to the fish. Okay, fish right. Okay, you can see same. Now I check for the fish. If fish dot below now dot x greater than 350, you have to set fish dot velocity x to minus 3, and before that you have to change animation to fifth left. Okay, and another condition if the fish dot x less than 50, you make the fish dot set animation to fish right, and set the fish dot velocity x to 3. Okay, that's amazing. That 3 is a little bit slow, and fish, I think I should use. Okay, that's cool. Okay, that's cool. It's come back this. And for the last guy is for the shark. What you want for the sharks here? Okay, for the shark is the same for this. You have to check a location like this. If shark, okay, dots x position greater than 350, the shark. Okay, now we go to the animation tab and make this for 2. For the first one is rename to shark right, and this one is shark left. Okay, for the first one you have to change this to shark right. Okay, let's try. Okay, that's cool. So shark dot set animation to shark left, and shark dot set animation to no set animation dot velocity x equal to -3. Okay, reset and run. Wow, that's cool. Now that it start. Okay, it start, but it should turn to left. Turn the face to left. Okay, before that I have to flip this guy. Okay, like that. Now I change this to all three for all. Okay, the same. And like this. Okay, but for the shark, I want to use this for 500 to make the shark disappear and it should become back. Okay, and I used another condition is shark dot x less than 0 or less than -50. I shall now set animation to the shark right, and after that shark dot velocity x equal to 3. Let's try and see for this. Okay, run. Okay, the shark is nearly disappeared and it come back. That. Okay, this guy will do this again and again like this. Okay, that's cool. So that's all for the lesson 18 velocity, and the new block of code that we have learned today is about the velocity x and velocity y. Okay, and the rotation speed. Okay, so everyone, you can grade whatever you want with this pre-play puzzle. Okay, so that's all for me. See you again in the next video.